Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I achieved this look. This is my Christmas carol look. So actually after this video I'm heading out for carol. Probably by the time you're watching, of course, by the time you're watching this video, carol would have been done. So guys, if you want to see how I achieved this shimmery look, stay tuned. And for the record, this is also a first impression video for some of the products I got from Beyond Beauty, and I also got an item from Avour Cosmetics. So I'm going to show you guys how I incorporated them in my makeup routine, guys. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride.
Okay, I'll be starting now with my black up primer. Just put that all over and let it sit in. And then I've already done my brow off camera, and I'm going in with my BH Day and Night palette with the red colors, and then this Santee Beauty matte eyeshadow palette. Basically use them for my crease. I tried to make the video short, so some of the things I had to do off camera, like my brow and then my other eye, did everything, off camera. Okay, now I'm going in with my concealer. I use the Milani concealer that I use for my brow as well. So now I'm going in with the Glitter Obsession palette from Beyond Beauty. I'm going in with the, it's like champagne. It's not really red, but that's what was close to red. I didn't want to use green. I wasn't sure how it was going to look on my eye, so I used the champagne colored glitter. I really love how it looks. Guys, I wasn't really sure how this thing was going to turn out. Normally I would have put that green before the glitter, but I wasn't sure exactly what I wanted to create, so I'm still glad it came out right. So I'm going with that green tone, and then now I'm blending out the crease, so you don't have any edges that look so weird. So you just blend.
Through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh, o'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright.
Yeah, put that green needle so it just comes out right.
Fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Next, I'm going in with my concealer. Still LA. My concealer is finished. Need to get another one just to hide some of those dark spots. Blend that out. Next, I'm going in with LA Pride. That's LA Pride color corrector. I don't know, I'm not so impressed with it. Like, I really thought it was going to really hide my spots. So if you know any product that can do that for me, please help me get that. Yeah, now I'm going in with Fina Beige Glam foundation. I discovered it recently. It's nice, it's affordable. Yeah, just going to blend that out, but at least it helps. It really helps with the, putting the concealers first helps a lot with trying to tone down any dark spots, making it obvious. And line my eyes with some David's eye pencil liner, and then I'm going in with Beyond Beauty face definer. This product, it acts like a concealer. Really, it's a little bit difficult to bend, to put down. I thought it's supposed to be a powder, but for a powder it's not loose, it sticks. It just feels like I put a concealer on my face. But of course, with a good brush, you should be able to blend that out. So I've already applied the highlighter, that's the bright ones, and then of course I'm going in right now with the concealer, that's the dark shade. You see how I have to apply several times to get that on. So I'm using this Karite Mascara, and I need to restock some of my products. Like, I'm going in with this MAC eye pencil liner. I really love it. It's not messy. It just makes lining your eye very easy.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh, or the fields we
Time
go.
to blend out that foundation. Guys, this face definer from Beyond Beauty is, for me, it's a little bit difficult to work with. Like, I have to blend and blend and blend if it was a loose powder. Even when I use my powder, it's so easier. So now I'm going in with my Tara 8 powder palette. This is what I usually use. I don't like concealer, contour and highlighting. I just love to go in with powder. It just makes everything light. I love my makeup really light. So that's why you see me, I don't always use concealers. Okay, so we're just blending in, make everything blend in properly, look fine. So I'm going in, my brow to highlight the brow.
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Now it's time for the lid, guys. Line that lid better. I'm using the Davies brow and lip liner pencil as usual. That's like my most used color for brow and lip. Then the Avour loose mineral glue, guys. I thought this was a loose powder, like for highlighting my face, not like a bronzer. That's what I thought it was for, but apparently it's shimmery and loose. I don't know how long I'm going to use this. I'll probably use this for a very long time because it's just for my cheeks and places I want to highlight. But I love it. It's very light and shimmery, like, it's okay. Alright, so going in with my classic matte lippy. I don't know, some people say classic doesn't work for them, guys. I know it's cheap in quotes, but then it works for me, guys. It works, I love them so far, really. It works for me. If it's too dry, you can use a lip gloss. We are in a dry season, so definitely matte lipsticks are quite very dry for the weather. When you apply it, your lips begin to crack and feel very dry. Okay, time for Baza Queen to Baza. So I forgot to put my lip gloss, really, because it was so dry, my lips were cracking out. I had to apply lip gloss.
What's up, guys? So you've come to the end of the video. Thank you so much for sticking around to the end. I really appreciate it. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe, guys. Please subscribe and help me get to 1,000. And let me know if you have any questions about the products or any other thing you would want to ask me about, or any other look you would like me to create. I know that some time ago I was talking a lot about minimal makeup, guys, but then I guess the makeup lover in me is back on, and so I'll be trying a lot of makeup looks subsequently. So if you have any look you want me to try out, you have any question at all, leave me your thoughts in the comment section, and I will definitely get back to you, because of course I like to communicate with you guys. All right, thank you so much once again. Don't forget to check out my blog, www.winnystyle.com, Facebook at Winnystyle, Instagram at Winnystyle, Twitter at Daldil, guys. Let's get social. All right, guys, see you. Bye.
Making